Yo, what's up guys? This is Subtidemetly here and we are at the house again. Now, I wanted to show you something that mysteriously came. I don't know what it is. Anyways, it's 1803 or 603. So, if we go over here, I found this thing. It's a Buddha. Now, it looks so dirty. I think it's old. I think this is old, no? So let's clean it. After we clean it, then I'm going to show you the final result. Let's get started. Here's the tablet over here. Turning the lights on. So this is the Buddha. Oh my god, it got the trail. Left the trail. I can't clean this. So first, we rinse this. Rinsing all the dirt. All the dirt that has been built up for months or years. I don't know. Next is the brushing. Over here. So I did some offline cleaning, and the only thing I did in offline cleaning, I just buhos or rinse it. Yeah, you rinse it. Got the Buddha's head. Rinse it a little more. Add some more soap. Rinse. Wash it again. Scrub it again. Yep, it's clean. Why so many options? The almighty sponge. Polish. This will be my decoration. Oh, there's some bronze. bronze. It's a bronze Buddha statue. Rinse it. How many times have I been rinsing it over and over again? And it's finished. A Buddha statue that you have never seen before, or you may have seen before. It is so cool. Look at that. The reason why you can't see it is because although I turn on the lights, it still shouldn't be seen. Cleaning out the mess. This will be my new decoration. Shout out to those people in India who understand English, because this is a Buddha. Shout out to all the people in India. This is the end of the video. This is Subtodemetry, and if you enjoy watching this, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.